Hello there, my name is Masha and Leslie, and today we're going to talk about most amazing topic, is real estate investing.
Yes, and as experienced real estate investors ourselves, we hope this video empowers you to get started on your fruitful journey as a real estate investor.
So number one, we're going to talk about my most favorite one is self-storage investing. Investing in storage can be required with less maintenance, less management. You don't need to deal with evictions and tenants, their problems. So that's why I love self-storage investing.
Plus, it's recession resilient. People always need storage space, no matter the economic climate. Now, let's talk about my personal favorite, multifamily residential units. Small multifamilies offer long-term appreciation and cash flow potential. You're building wealth through property value growth over time. And with multiple units, you can benefit from multiple income streams. That means that you'll be able to save that money, put it towards future down payments for more investment properties, and expand on your portfolio. So now you're probably thinking, which one is right for you?
Self-storage, multifamily, it really depends on a person and their preferences. One of the most important things is stay focused.
Exactly, and just remember, you can also play an active or a passive role in whichever investment asset you decide to go with. Well, what do you think? We told them enough? Remember, it's about your investment strategy and what works best for you.